Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. We're going to dive into a biscuits and gravy casserole. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade sausage gravy so you don't have to use any of those instant packages. It's going to add a whole lot of flavor, it'll taste great, and it's such a great way to start off the day. We'll start off with 1 pound of sausage. It can be mild, it can be spicy, whatever you prefer. Grab a spatula, cut it up into small bite-sized pieces. Cook the sausage all the way through. You want to give it a little bit of color. That'll add flavor to our biscuits and gravy casserole. The sausage is cooked all the way through. We're going to grab a little. I'm going to take about 1/4 of the sausage, put it to the side. We're going to add this to our casserole a little bit later. Make a well in the center of the sausage. We're gonna make our roux, we're gonna make our thickening agent. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna plop it right on into the center. You can even make this casserole a day ahead of time, put all the ingredients together, throw it into the refrigerator overnight. The next day, take it out, pop it in the oven, boom, you're ready to go. The butter is melted, now it's time to add our flour. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of flour. Mix it in. We wanna cook this over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes to get that flour taste out. Add 2 cups of milk. Scrape the bottom and sides of the pan to release all of those bits and pieces of the sausage. That's flavor. We want to incorporate that into our sausage gravy. Add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. And 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon to add a little bit of flavor. Give it a stir. Bring this to a simmer over medium heat. Once it starts to simmer, you can turn it down, cook it for a minute or 2, and then your sausage gravy is ready for the casserole. It's been about 2 minutes. The gravy, it's thick, it's ready to go. It looks really tasty. It's gonna be perfect for this breakfast casserole. Check it out. Nice and thick. Give it a taste. You can adjust the seasoning. Add a little bit of pepper. Dash of salt. I put chicken bouillon in before, so it does have a little bit of saltiness into it. Sausage is salty, so you just have to definitely taste it before you add the salt. Give it a mix. Check it out. Nice, thick. Oh yeah, that is a perfect sausage gravy. Now we can put this to the side and we can throw our casserole together. Grab a few biscuits. Plop them on a cutting board, cut them into quarters. The best biscuits to use are the pre-made store-bought packages of biscuits, the big ones that come in a package of 8. Those are the best ones to use. Grab a bowl and a whisk. It's time to scramble 6 eggs. Add 1/2 cup of milk to the eggs. Little dash of pepper. Tiny bit of salt. We already have a lot of salt in the gravy, so just a tiny bit of salt. Grab the whisk, give it a stir. The hard part's over. Now grab a baking dish, a 9x13 baking dish. Make sure it's well greased. You can use butter or a spray. Work with the biscuits first. Just throw them in the bottom, spread them around. Grab the sausage that we reserved to the side, spread it over those biscuits. Add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it over the top of the biscuits and the sausage. Take the eggs, give it a little bit of a stir, and then pour it over the top. Now it's time to add our homemade sausage gravy. Just slowly pour it over the top. Grab a spatula, spread it around a little bit. This is ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and puffed and golden brown. So there you go, it's nice, it's cooked, it's golden brown, it's puffed up, it's bubbly. And if you want to put the casserole ingredients together, store it in the fridge overnight and take it out the next day to cook it, you might want to cook it for about 20 minutes longer until golden brown, puffy, and cooked all the way through. It's a great breakfast idea for a holiday, a long weekend, or anytime you have a large group of hungry people over. Bam! Make this the night before, throw it in the oven, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe on how to make a biscuits and gravy casserole. If you're looking for additional breakfast ideas, you might want to try out this red eye gravy or click on this southern style tomato gravy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.